Outstanding design defines the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.